Hello friends, welcome to our Smart e-learning channel. Today we are going to learn 10th standard maths 1, that is algebra lesson number 1, linear equation in two variables. Watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's start. Linear equation in two variables. Definition of the linear equation two variables is an equation which contains two variables and the degree of the each term containing variable is 1 is called the linear equation in two variables. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of a linear equation in two variables. A, B, C are real numbers and A, B are not equal to 0 at the same time. That means एक समीकरण है जिसमें लाइनर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स, ये एक समीकरण है जिसमें दो चर और हर टर्म की डिग्री ओनली 1 होती है। उस समीकरण को लाइनर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स कहते हैं। ax प्लस by प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0 ये एक जनरल फॉर्म है जो कि लाइनर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स का, जिसमें a, b एंड c ये रियल नंबर्स होते हैं और a एंड b ये एक ही टाइम पे सेम टाइम पे 0 नहीं होते हैं। सो लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ लाइनर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स. Examples. First one, x plus 2y is equal to 0. Second one, a is equal to 4b minus 7. Third is equal to x upon 5 plus y upon 3 is equal to 11. Fourth one, y is equal to 5x plus 2. इसमें फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में x एंड y यह दो वेरिएबल्स है और उनकी डिग्री यानी कि पावर ऑफ द टर्म 1 है, इसलिए यह लाइनर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स का एग्जाम्पल है। उसी तरह बाकी के एग्जाम्पल्स में भी दो वेरिएबल्स है और उनका पावर ऑफ टर्म मीन्स डिग्री 1 है। जैसे कि सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल्स a is equal to 4b minus 7. There is a and b are the variables. Third example, x upon 5 plus y upon 3 is equal to 11. There is x and y are two variables. And for example, y is equal to 5x plus 2. There are x and y are the two variables. And all of having only degree 1. Therefore, these four examples are of linear equation in two variables. In this lesson, we are going to understand methods of solving linear equation in two variables. Graphical method, Cramer's method. Second one, equation that can be transform in linear equation in two variables. Third one, application in simultaneous equation. So now we are going to learn simultaneous linear equation. Definition of the simultaneous linear equation is when we think about two linear equations in two variables at the same time, they are called साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन। इसका मतलब है जब हम एक ही समय में दो चर में दो रेखीय समीकरणों के बारे में सोचते हैं तो उन्हें समकालिक समीकरण कहा जाता है। लास्ट ईयर वी लर्न टू सॉल्व साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन बाय एलिमिनेटिंग वन वेरिएबल। लेट्स रिवाइज इट। let's see the activity. Complete the following table. First one, 4m plus 3n is equal to 12. Is the equation a linear equation in two variables? Yes. Second, 3x square minus 7y is equal to 13. Is the equation a linear equation in two variables? No. Third one, square root x minus square root 5y is equal to 16. Is the equation a linear equation in two variables? Yes. Fourth one, 0x plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. Is the equation a linear equation in two variables? Yes. Fifth one, 0.3x plus 0y minus 36 is equal to 0. Is the equation a linear equation in two variables? Yes. Sixth one, 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 4. Is the equation a linear equation in two variables? No. Seventh one, 4xy minus 5y minus 8 is equal to 0. Is the equation a linear equation in two variables? No. Example 1. Solve the following simultaneous equation. First one, 5x minus 3y is equal to 8 and 3x plus y is equal to 2. Solution of that, method 1. 5x minus 3y is equal to 8 is an first equation. 3x plus y is equal to 2 is an second equation. Multiplying both sides of the equation, second by 3. We get 9x plus 3y is equal to 6 is an third equation. 5x minus 3y is equal to 8 is an first equation. Now let's add equation first and third. 5x minus 3y is equal to 8 plus 9x plus 3y is equal to 6. We get 14x is equal to 14. Therefore, x is equal to 1. Substituting x is equal to 1 in equation second. 3x plus y is equal to 2. Therefore, 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 2. Therefore, 3 plus y is equal to 2. Therefore, y is equal to minus 1. Solution is x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, it is also written as xy is equal to 1 minus 1. Method second. 5x minus 3y is equal to 8 is an first equation. 3x plus y is equal to 2 is an second equation. Let's write value of y in terms of x from equation second as y is equal to 2 minus 3x is an third equation. Substituting this value of y in equation first. 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. Therefore, 5x minus 3 into 2 minus 3x in bracket is equal to 8. Therefore, 5x minus 3 into 2 minus 3x is equal to in bracket is equal to 8. Therefore, 5x minus 6 plus 9x is equal to 8. Therefore, 14x minus 6 is equal to 8. Therefore, 14x is equal to 8 plus 6. Therefore, 14x is equal to 14. Therefore, x is equal to 1. Substituting x is equal to 1 in equation third. Y is equal to 2 minus 3x. Therefore, 2 minus 3 into 1. Therefore, y is equal to 2 minus 3. Therefore, y is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1 is the solution of the equation. Example second. Solve. 3x plus 2y is equal to 29 and 5x minus y is equal to 18. Solution. 3x plus 2y is equal to 29 is an first equation. 5x minus y is equal to 18 is an second equation. Let's solve the equation by eliminating y. Fill suitably the boxes below. Multiplying equation second by 2. Therefore, 5x into 2 minus y into 2 is equal to 18 into 2. Therefore, 10x minus 2y is equal to 36 is an third equation. Let's add equation first and third. 3x plus 2y is equal to 29 plus 10x minus 2y is equal to 36. Then we get 13x is equal to 65. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Substituting x is equal to 5 in equation first. 3x plus 2y is equal to 29. Therefore, 3 into 5 plus 2y is equal to 29. Therefore, 15 plus 2y is equal to 29. Therefore, 2y is equal to 29 minus 15. Therefore, 2y is equal to 14. Therefore, y is equal to 7. X, y is equal to 5, 7 is the solution. Thanks for watching our video. Next video we will continue with exercise number 1.1. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.